Hi
Yes.
Tanishka,
Am I audible, sir?
you are audible. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm fine, sir. Good afternoon. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well. So you look happy today. Why are you happy today? Can you tell me the reason?
Today is Sunday and I am happy. So yeah, not like
Oh,
there is nothing reason.
there is nothing. Okay, so you have your school tomorrow, right?
Yes, tomorrow is practice test. Our practice test.
Practice test. Okay, so since we are connecting for the very first time, let's get to know each other today, right?
Yes. So would you like to introduce yourself, sir?
Definitely, but before me, I'm very much interested about you, right? So I'll ask your introduction first. So I know your name is very much adorable, that is Tanishka, but I would really love to know the place where you come from. Where are you currently staying? What is your native language? Tell me, like, in which school you are studying, in which standard you are studying, what are your hobbies and interests, right? If you have certain achievements, you can mention about that as well, right? So let's get started.
Yes, so my name is Sanishka. I'm 9 years old and studying fourth standard. My hobbies are to read stories, playing skating, and riding cycle like this. And I'm from Maharashtra district, Pune. So there is channel on YouTube. My channel name is English with Tanishka. Yeah, that's all about me.
Oh, wow. So you have YouTube channel as well.
Yes.
So you teach English on your YouTube channel.
No, I like upload the conversation videos and make my solo videos like story narration. I narrate a story and then I upload that video on YouTube, my channel.
Okay. And in which standard are you studying?
I study in fourth standard.
Fourth standard. Okay. And what about your mother and father? Like, do they attend EnglishYaari sessions, or it is just you who attend EnglishYaari sessions?
I only attend the EnglishYaari sessions.
Okay. And what about your mother and father? What they are doing?
My mother is homemaker. She make my videos and upload on YouTube. My father is electrician.
He's an electrician. Okay, wonderful. So I can see some books in your background. So are they your books, or are they books of your mother or father, of your parents?
No, that's mine books.
How many books you have read till now? 50? 40?
So many books, like 100 plus.
100 plus. Oh my gosh. And which was your best, like, which was the most interesting book you have ever read till now?
Tinkle book and Champak book.
And how long you have been attending English Shari sessions? One
One,
month.
like before 1 month, before 1 year, I was attending the English Yari, and and I get some like gap. So then one more time I do the sessions. I did this.
So since 1 year you have been attending English Shari sessions, but in between there were gaps.
Yes, like first 1 year ago I did the sessions here, and one more time I did the this. I subscribed the plan.
Wow, wonderful. So you also said that your hobby is to like ride bicycle and do skating as well, I guess, right?
Yes.
Can you please tell me, like, when do you plan to go, like when do you pursue your hobbies? Like, when do you go for bicycling? When do you go to go for skating? And also, like, do you do that every day, or just like Saturday, Sunday? How it goes like?
Sometimes when I get the mood or time, so like I did the skating and ride cycle at Saturday, Sunday, or when I get the less homework on the school days and get the time, so I ride the cycle.
Okay, wonderful. So tomorrow is your school. So what is the timing of your school?
I go at 10 a.m. and then
Mhm.
come back at 4 p.m.
4 p.m. So it is very exhausting. Do you like school, or do you don't like school?
I love school.
You love school. Don't you get exhausted? Because when I was of your age, I used to get very exhausted. My school timing was the same, 8 a.m. till 3 p.m. But I was to get very bored and I was to get very exhausted. What about you? Don't you get bored and exhausted?
I get tired but not bored.
Wow. So every day you have your sports period, or like when your sport period comes?
We
Twice in a
have
week.
daily sports.
Daily sports.
Yes.
In our school, it was just twice in a week. So you're lucky, right?
Yes, in our school we have daily sports.
So yeah, please tell me. about this food items. You have to choose between healthy food and you have to choose between not like this Maggie and pasta. What will you choose?
Mm, okay, I will choose healthy food. Okay.
Healthy food. So you prefer healthy food, right? Which vegetable do you like the most? Ladyfinger,
Yeah, ladyfinger, potato.
potato. Why? I
And I
understand.
also like the vadi, Kothimir vadi, and aru vadi.
Aloo vadi.
Yes.
Okay, wow, wonderful. And how many places you have traveled till now, except Pune?
Um, except Pune, I travel the Satara, Kolhapur, Latur, like
Nagpur.
that. What? Not Nagpur, Latur, and then. But I don't go outside Maharashtra.
You don't go outside Maharashtra, but you would be having that dream, right? Like desire to go outside, right?
Yes, I
What
would
is in
like
your
to
bucket?
go.
Okay, so let's suppose I am giving you all the luxury. You have all the money and you have to travel 5 places around the world. What are 5 places would you travel?
First would be Finland, United
Finland,
States of America, United Kingdom, then Kashmir in India, Jammu and Kashmir, and also Kerala.
Kerala. So you said first country which you would like to visit is Finland.
Yeah,
Why Finland? Why Finland? Why you put Finland on the first target? Why only Finland?
because it's too big country and it's so like I would like to go there.
Okay,
And that's a
and
beautiful country. And also I love to visit Kashmir because there Kashmir there is a snow.
snow.
And,
In
and the Finland environment is really nice.
so in India, what is the environment in India? What do you think Indian environment? How is Indian environment? Environment.
India's environment is really nice also. So I will not say bad to my country.
Right, that's very good, right? We should not say bad to our country. But when it comes to Finland, how do you get to know about Finland? Are your relatives living there, or did you get to learn or understand something of Finland from YouTube? You saw YouTube video.
Yes, I saw the vlogs of the where she go Finland,
Hmm.
and I know the country Finland, so I read a globe. So well, so yeah, and Finland like beaches.
Okay, and since you are active on YouTube as well, right? So, who is your favorite YouTuber?
My favorite YouTuber is Kriti Goyal because she makes the vlogs and she speaks in English. So yeah, she make the vlogs and she go around whole countries.
Vlogging. So you like? I think when you will be going, in 10th or 11th standard, you would start vlogging. I guess when you'll be 15, 16 year old. I think you will start vlogging, right?
Yes,
So you like to travel, like okay. So I got to know that you like to travel as well, and you like to capture some moments as well, right? So that's what vloggers do.
yes. So like they like upload the videos that they are making the videos like they are going this places in that country like that.
True, true. So have you thought about vlogging? Have you decided?
Um, Not yet.
Not yet. And what about sports? Like what all sports do you play in your school?
In school, we play the sports like kho, dodgeball, square dodgeball, circle dodgeball. Then yes, so like throw ball,
Mm-hmm. Kho and
and we
dodgeball.
also have skating.
Oh, so you do skating in school as well, and you do skating outside, like in your surrounding as well, like in your society.
Yes.
So have you joined classes for skating? Because I got to know from somewhere that skating is very difficult. Is skating difficult? Will you be able to teach me if I don't know anything about skating?
First, we have to learn the basic skates, then advanced skates, and I joined the class also. So there, I was learning the advanced skates.
Advanced skits,
Yeah, they were in line. Only three wheels in a line.
3 wheels. I thought there are 4 wheels in line. Okay, so there are different types of skatings.
Yes. So I have those skates that are in four in a line four, but some skates have also three wheels in a line.
So how will you balance? There are just four, wheels in a line. But when it comes to basic skates, I think they are called as roller skating, right? Roller skates.
Yes. So
So they
one
are like,
here, one here, yeah.
yeah, two in front, two at the back part, right? So they get balance. But when it comes to inline, there are just four inline. So how will you balance? Don't you just fall? Like how will you balance? I don't understand.
And by practice, we can hold it and have practice and not can fall. We have the guards also.
That knee guard,
Yeah, knee guards, elbow guards, palm
helmet.
guards, and helmet also.
So which is easy, roller skates or inland, one land?
We will get the easy when we know that skates. Roller skates or advanced skates, we know from both, only one. So that we will get easy. But I think I have both, so I will get easy. And I am so roller skates are too easy, and inline skates I learn it little.
Okay, and can I start with advanced because I don't like that roller skate? So can I just directly start with one line?
Yes, by you have to join the class, so that they'll give the basic of that inline skates
But
how to.
nowadays I can learn from YouTube as well. Like on YouTube, there are a lot of classes. Like who are like students like you or who are just kids like you. They teach skating as well, so I can learn from them as well, right? On YouTube. Is
We
it
cannot
necessary?
learn by online. We can only learn by offline.
Acha. So what is the use of those online videos which they are posting?
That's just like some ideas we can get, but not
Mhm.
we can learn it too much better.
Right, right. Then, but like I think you are a very good storyteller. Are you a very good storyteller?
Yes.
You need to tell me story now because I want to. I'm very eager to learn story and I mean listen story. Since long time I have never heard a story. So tell me any very interesting story. From scratch, right?
Um, I will tell the story. Okay. So I will tell the story of Mary Kom.
Mary,
So
Mario,
Mary Kom,
Marycom,
not Mary Kom. It's Marykom. Mary Kom.
that boxer, right? Marycom, boxer.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Please tell me.
Yeah. So there was the Mary Kom who lived with her family. So she was interested in boxing, doing sports like that. And when she was a good boxer, and when she grew up, she became a boxer, and then she did the practice a lot. She was a champion, have and was a leader. And then she got a baby, so she
Mhm.
got a twins. Then she become a take a gap, and then after that like then she starts doing that fighting, doing that boxing, and doing that sports. Her things started, and then she was known as her nickname was uh, um a woman with who she take care of her like child, and then she is the boxer
Boxer.
like that. And then she did the boxer and she was a champion, and then she was really great. And when she in her uh, diary she written that I want to be a really a great boxer, a sports champion like that, and she become. And then her words was that be strong and have achievement, never give up. Yeah, and then she said like that. She gave the motivational words to everyone. Everyone learned from her, and then like say to themselves that we don't have to give up what we want to do it. So
Wow.
yeah, this was.
So what is the moral in one line? Can you tell me the moral? I think you have told me at the end, but repeat the moral of the story once again.
Yes, and also she was given a ordered award by a president. So that our name was from starting V. I cannot remember it,
Mhm.
but mm, yeah. So my moral of the story is never give up what we want to do it.
Very good. And what do you want to become in life then? Let me ask you.
I wanna become an author of stories or native English speaker.
You want to become a storyteller?
Yes, like I wanna write my own books. I wanna create my own books and like post it. People would buy that books like that,
Oh,
and and I wanna be the author like Sudhamurthy ma'am. And I wanna be a native English speaker. I wanna motivate everyone.
oh my God, that's wonderful. So you will be writing a lot of books like Sudha Murthy ma'am, right? So Sudha Murthy ma'am is your idol.
Yes, and I also wanna be a English tutor like you.
Oh, really? You want to join EnglishYaari as well?
Yes,
Wow. So you enjoy EnglishYaari? Do you like EnglishYaari?
yes, I love much. The tutors are really nice. I learn a lot from here.
Oh my gosh. So you'll continue on EnglishYaari since your lifetime, since lifelong, right? No, no, no. You will be becoming EnglishYaari tutor, right? So I understand. So I think when you will be 17, 18 year old, then you will join EnglishYaari.
Yes, of course. And I will join the English. So I will see so many tutors also.
Definitely,
Many
definitely. We will
new
welcome.
tutors.
Sure,
And
sure. I'll welcome you on EnglishYaari, and then I'll become your student, right?
how?
I'll become because I know that you'll have more knowledge than me because I'll stop teaching at EnglishYaari by then. I'll be very old.
Okay, but if you be old, how could you be student? You sh- you can be the tutor
Yeah,
forever.
but like even old people learn a lot on EnglishYaari. There are a lot of old people. They learn. They come on EnglishYaari. So I'll be that person who will take your sessions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, Tanishka, it was a wonderful session with you. I enjoyed the session. So, see you in the next session now. Do you have any doubts, any queries to ask, anything?
Would you like to tell your childhood?
You want to know about my childhood?
Yes.
What you want to know about my childhood? Tell me, I'll let you know.
About your school life.
It was school life. So, I was not a very studious kid like you. I was very mischievous. I was naughty guy. I was disturbing the class and I was disturbing the teachers as well. So, never become like me, right? And I was in convent school. Then it was a English medium school. I used to speak like you only, not very better. I was not speaking as like you. I was speaking decent, and I was a lot into sports. I was not studying much, but then I realized you have to study a lot as well, right? So I started studying, right? So this is the lesson for you, right? That you should also play sport as well. You should study as well. You should just not study. You should just not study, or you should just not play sports only. So you should have balance, right? That's the learning I can give from my childhood, right?
Yes.
See you in the next session now. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Have a great day.